morning, January 22nd. We are heading into the dining hall here at Gould Academy. Check out the athletes getting ready to head up to Sugarloaf today. Should be some fast ski racers in here having breakfast. Ready?
This is crazy.
Huskies on 3. 1, 2, 3. Huskies!
Well, I hope you follow us on live timing today here at Sugarloaf, as well as our Gould racers down at Okemo. And I'm going to leave you with a clip of some sights and sounds from last weekend. Had a chance to run into Merritt Harlan, a recent grad who came to our winter term as an 8th grade program, worked hard, and is now skiing for Williams. Take care. See you next week. Okay, we are here with Merritt Harlan, who graduated from Gould in 2012?
Yeah.
2012. She went to winter term, and at that time hadn't had a ton of ski racing experience. She was from New Jersey, and she spent 5 years at Gould. She's now at Williams, a sophomore, coming off of the UVM Carnival a couple weeks ago and Colby Carnival this past weekend. How's it feel to be back at Thunder River?
It's awesome. I love this mountain, and training is great. The snow is great.
And what did your time at Gould prepare you for Williams College?
Definitely.
Do you miss Gould?
I really miss it, yes.
Well, we miss you too, and we are going to follow you all season. Best of luck to you,
Thank you.
and it's awesome to see you.
Great to see you too.
All right.
Let's go, Mary Elizabeth Harlan. Come on!
Allie.
Real call. Come on, call.
Hey, Start, you got anybody looking for a quick course report or what?